Hi, my name is Anthony Martinez, and I will be doing a presentation on Upstream. So these are the co-founders of Upstream. It is Jake Risman and Steve Maman. Their company is based out of San Diego, and both graduated from San Diego State University. Risman graduated in 2009 with a marketing degree, and Maman graduated in 2002 with an economics degree. So what is Upstream? Upstream was founded in 2018. Upstream is the world's best solution for maximizing recovery. This allows manufacturers and retailers to receive the maximum possible value for their challenged goods, such as returns, exchanges, and B-stock goods. You might be asking, what is B-stock goods? B-stock goods is a product which has been returned by a customer within their 30-day money-back guarantee or replaced under a guarantee. Their focus is pretty much in logistics. They help other companies that specifically deal with apparel and shoes. Their solution works all across all categories, and they currently process everything but highly specialized in footwear and apparel. So Upstream wants to up market, up convert, up IQ, etc. So up market, they expose companies' goods to 50 plus marketplaces and to over 1 billion consumers worldwide. Upstream's technology allows them to list their clients' inventory on over 50 marketplaces worldwide, with over 1 billion consumers are shopping each day. Their solution optimizes the listings and the pricing to ensure that their clients' inventory sells as quickly and for the highest retail price possible. So they kind of get all the stuff that people don't want, or it's hard for companies like Nike to sell. They get their product, and they sell them for them on places such as like eBay, Amazon, Overstock, AliExpress, places like that. The next is to up convert. New inventory sells faster and at a higher price than used inventory. Item by item inventory condition is the only way to ensure you are receiving maximum value for your inventory. Upstream's technology and hyper-efficient processes allows them to convert misclassified and incorrect data to 99.9% accurate data about the item, its condition, and proper listing. They touch every single item that passes through their facility. Each item is reviewed, and the most accurate information captured is to ensure that items maximize recovery value. Next is to up IQ. Make data and analytics work for you. Better decisions equal better outcomes. Upstream's tech-driven solution collects detailed data at every step of the process, and they deliver the data back to their clients in the forms of reports, analytics, and insights. This treasure trove of information provides their clients with information they need to make better buying and merchandising and supply chain decisions. They can also tightly integrate the sharing of their data into their clients' internal systems to facilitate automation and analytical solutions that drive better investment outcomes in the future. According to recent studies, companies that make data-driven decisions have the best chance of longevity, yet across industries it's found that only a small percentage of retail enterprises qualify as data-driven. So up to the vendor, RTV goals for footwear and apparel retailers brands include reduced handling and transportation costs, ensure brand equity is protected, create revenue margin growth through secondary markets, and accomplish sustainability, reduce carbon footprint. RTV pretty much just stands for return to vendor. Upstage. Upstream's dropship solution provides all the services necessary to consume the returns from their sales channels, receive and process them at a hyper-efficient facility where they can relist it, resell it, and drop ship directly to your customer or their customer faster and at a lower cost. Upside, Upstream has inventory and e-commerce platform, pick, pack, and ship process ready. Upstream can stand up and maintain for you an e-commerce site that has access to their inventory and product drop ship directly to their customers, all with their branding. Liquidate, Upstream's technology entirely coupled process allows them to offer secondary market virtual pallets of trademark of inventory. These virtual pallets remove the burden, costs, and constraints of creating a fixed or bulk blend of inventory based on an imperfect perception of what the secondary market buyers are interested in purchasing. Virtual pallets allow the buyers to create their own selection of inventory they are most interested in purchasing, subsequently most willing to pay at the highest price. And Upconsult. Upstream offers custom enterprise solutions tailored for other business needs. We'll go to the next slide. Retailers and brands. The retail landscape for footwear and apparel is changing rapidly. So this gives retailers more agile, more focused, and more data-driven to drive maximum product sales through their primary channels. This gives retailers a chance to focus on new products coming in instead of focusing on old products. Brands need to protect their investment, ensure pricing across sales channels and marketplaces are consistent, even for their challenged inventory. Their carbon footprint. There are more than 20 billion pairs of shoes manufactured each year. North America sends 9.5 million tons of clothing into landfills every year, of which 95% could be reused or recycled into new clothing. Less than 1% is actually being recycled. Upstream is actually committed to focusing their ideas, talents, and processes and technology to deliver changes that will make a big impact on product they touch and the environment they live in, or we live in. What I found on their website was pretty cool. They actually donate tens of thousands of shoes each year to charities that are looking to help the most struggling communities. And, they're trying to always find ways to donate, which I thought was pretty cool. And that is my presentation on Upstream. Thank you for watching.